I know that money's tight. This might sound crazy, but we should book a flight somewhere amazing. We only got one life, so let's not waste it. I'm talking about tonight. What you say, baby? We could lay low in Ibiza, that golden sand, or just take it easy in the south of France. We could wander forever and never be found. Long as I'm lost in your love when the sun goes down. Lost in your love when the sun goes down. I've been feeling kinda stuck in the same location. Let's get a couple stamps in these passport pages. No, I don't really care about the destination. Yeah, I just want you there, that's all I'm saying. We could dance all night in Rio, that carnival